Hello students, let us solve the first question in May-June 2026 Pure Maths 2 paper. So this question, it says, use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 2. So according to the remainder theorem, we can find out the remainder by just finding out f of 2, because we are dividing it by x minus 2. We have to find out the function f of 2 which gives the remainder directly. Okay. So we find out f of 2 which will be equal to 2 times 2 to the power 3 minus 7 times 2 square plus 5 times 2 plus 4. So this you can use your calculator, you will be getting the answer as 2. So this method carries 1 mark and the final answer carries also 1 mark. Okay. And now the next part is hence or otherwise find the quotient when f of x is divided by x minus 2. So one factor is already x minus 2, so you can just divide the whole expression by x minus 2. You will be getting the quotient. Okay, so this first term is 2x square minus 4x square. Now the remainder of this much part is minus 3x square, and you bring the other part also below and you multiply by minus 3x, so this is minus 3x square plus 6x, and then you have minus x minus 4. Okay, and then this one would be minus 1, and this will be minus x plus 2, and so this is minus x plus 4, and the remainder will be 4 minus 2, which is 2. Okay, so the quotient over here is, this is the quotient, that is 2x square minus 3x minus 1. So again, this method carries 1 mark, and the final answer carries, if it is correct, the accuracy mark would be there. Okay, so it was a simple short question. I hope it was clear for you. Thank you so much.